You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickle, snickle, slow. The apple of my eye, and I love you so. And I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing two songs to you because you are so dear.
So addictive. Don't you know what I can do to make you feel alright? Don't pretend to think you know I'm damn precious. And hell yeah, I'm the motherfucking princess. I can tell you like me too, and you know I'm right. She's like, so whatever. I think we should get together now. And that's what everyone's talking about. Hey, I don't like your girlfriend. No way, think you need a new one. Hey, I could be your girlfriend. I want to be your girlfriend. I can see the way, I see the way you look at me. And even when you look away, I know you think of me. I know you talk about me all the time, again and again. So come over here and tell me what I wanna hear. Better yet, make a girlfriend disappear. I don't wanna hear you say her name ever again. I think we should get together now. And that's what everyone's talking about. Hey, I don't like your girlfriend. No way, think you need a new one. Hey, I could be your girlfriend. Hey, I know that you like me.
Jota, Lasak.
I want to be your girlfriend. In a second you'll be wrapped around my finger. 'Cause I
never a brother, always a guest. It's a crying shame. It's a royal pain in the neck. I'm just trying to get by with my pride, a little bit intact. Just a little bit more tact.